Kuta, what's for lunch today?
Today I'm planning fish masala and veg pulao.
Nice.
It's very nice, but you are making it, not me. So what are we waiting for? Let's crack on with it. Today is my happiest day because I am not cooking today. He is cooking. Hand it over to you.
So, today's dish we're going to make is fish masala. So, let's take a look at the ingredients. Kingfish, chopped onions, coconut milk, tomato puree, turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, salt and pepper to taste, curry leaves, garam masala.
First we have to marinate the fish.
Okay.
Tell me what ingredients will you add?
Chili powder, turmeric, salt.
We have taken 3 fish pieces, which is like roughly about 200 grams.
Okay.
Okay, now please add the chili powder.
How much?
1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder.
Half teaspoon?
Yes.
Okay. Ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon.
Okay, കുറച്ച് വെള്ളം എടുത്ത് ആദ്യം മിക്സ് ചെയ്ത്. Half a teaspoon of vinegar. അതിന് നോവില്ല, നന്നായിട്ട് ഇളക്കിക്കോ. ഈശ്വര, നിനക്ക് അത് തൊടല്ലേ? നന്നായിട്ട് ഇളക്കൂ.
Don't bully me.
Okay. Now with your little pinky finger, taste salt ഉണ്ടോന്ന്.
Yes.
നന്നായിട്ടുണ്ടോ? നീ അടിച്ചിട്ട് പരത്തേനെ.
This is the first time I'm marinating the fish
Fish,
like
അല്ലേ?
this. Yes.
Good.
I did a good job.
Not bad. ഉപ്പ് മാത്രം എനിക്കറിയില്ല. വിഘ്നേഷ് നിനക്ക് ട്രൈ ചെയ്യാം.
So
മാരിനേറ്റ് ചെയ്യണ്ടേ?
Yeah.
എത്ര നേരം മാരിനേറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം? ഒരു
Half an hour.
നല്ലതാണ്. The more you keep it, the better it is.
Okay.
But we don't have that much of time, so let's do this fast in 10 minutes.
So we
Half an hour is a good time actually for marination.
So we keep it in the fridge?
You can keep it outside because it's only for 10 minutes.
Okay.
If you're keeping it more than 1 hour, then you can think of putting in the fridge.
Okay.
Okay?
Next എന്താ ചെയ്യണ്ടേ?
Next അവനെ വറക്കണം. പാൻ ചൂടാവട്ടെ. Then we'll shallow fry the fish.
Shallow fry means?
What all I have to teach him, yeah? Shallow fry means with very little oil you will fry the fish.
Okay.
The other thing is deep fry. Deep fry is you pour a lot of oil in a kadai and then you deep fry the fish. Fish another mungi kadakkum. So we don't want that. Got my point?
So you're going to add a little bit of oil. Enough?
കുറച്ചുകൂടെ. മതി. Slowly watch your hand. Okay. We are giving this 1.5 minutes per side. Swoosh carefully. Yes.
So after cooking this, do we switch off the gas?
No. You take it out, you put it separately on a plate. Then in the same oil we'll be cooking the other ingredients because we are making a nice gravy for the fish. What is it called? Fish masala.
Right.
അതിനുള്ള ഒരു ഗ്രേവിയാണ് നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. Oil has a lot of flavor.
Okay.
Correct? So that's why we are cooking in the same oil. Please add onions.
Medium heat?
Yeah, medium heat.
All the onion?
Yes, this is 2 chopped onions.
Okay.
Keep sauteing the onions till it turns golden brown in color.
But how do you make out whether it's golden brown? It's already brown. From the masala.
Are the onions ready?
Nearly. What do you think, Vignesh?
1.5 teaspoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of ginger. Now you have to really saute the ginger because our Vignesh, he doesn't like biting into the ginger. കേട്ടോ ഇളക്കിക്കൊണ്ടേ ഇരിക്കണം കൈ വിടാൻ പാടില്ല എൻ്റെ കൈയല്ല add a pinch of salt. ആടല്ല പണിയല്ലേ
Why did I ask what's for lunch?
ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു. Okay, I think because you're cooking, I'm switching off the gas.
Why so?
Because you will burn the powders.
Okay.
Now there's already heat here. But take your chili powder. This is 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder and 1 teaspoon of normal spicy chili powder. Okay. We'll add this to that.
Dump the whole thing?
Yes. Okay, quickly. Now your coriander powder. This is roughly 2 teaspoon. I'm switching on the gas, so make sure you saute it nicely. Keep sauteing it. Always make sure your you keep it on sim, low fire. Should not burn the masalas or the spices basically.
I'll add the entire thing.
This is 2 tomato puree. Tomato puree also has raw smell under, so that you really need to keep sauteing.
I can smell it.
Now, my dear husband, you have
Yes.
forgotten to add salt. Please add some salt.
Again.
Half edukku.
Okay. Hot.
Panda.
Some more.
So add. We have to wait for the oil to come on top. It'll reduce. The tomato puree will reduce.
So we keep stirring it like this.
See, it's reducing in size. Oru 1/4 cup of water.
1/4.
Just add, I'll tell you. Madi. നമുക്കൊരു 5 minutes on low fire, low flame, we will just keep it.
Duty.
ORS.
Yes.
हमारी एनर्जी का
रहस्य.
रहस्य.
हमारी अल्ला, your energy.
हमारी एनर्जी का.
Shall we open?
You add the fish now. Cover the slices with that masala. This is 1 cup of coconut milk. അകത്ത് വെച്ചോ ചുറ്റിനൊഴിക്കുക. Let's keep the fire on very low flame. Cover and cook this. Cover and cook this for 10 minutes. Okay, because your coconut milk has to thicken. It has to simmer nicely.
It's about 10 minutes since we kept.
Okay. Now let's open and check. Be careful, there'll be a lot of steam. So just put it there. Slowly give it a stir.
Nice smell. Enough?
Yeah. Sprinkle it. Yes. Why are we adding the garam masala at the last?
No idea.
Then get idea.
Why do we do that? So that there's a nice flavor to it.
Yes. You're correct. Now please add some curry leaves. Tear your curry leaves because that will give flavor. Tear it into really small pieces.
So you add some more coconut oil.
Yeah. Because that
All
raw
around?
coconut oil gives a very good flavor.
So I'll just pour it.
Just pour, not too much. Bas. Now cover and cook. No, cover and switch off. What is ready?
Swadishtamaya fish masala. Second dish is veg pulao to go with our fish masala. So we need basmati rice, cooked basmati rice, sliced onions, sliced French beans, sliced carrot and some garlic, salt and pepper to taste and some ghee.
I've cooked the basmati rice in 2 cups of water, so it is 1:2. Okay, and I've added whole spices, which is your cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves.
Okay.
I'm using groundnut oil for flavor.
Okay.
So, okay, add some ghee, please. Now quickly add in your garlic. Okay, add the onions.
This also till the
No, just needs to turn light pink. The onions have slightly changed its color. Now time to add your carrot. So this is about half a cup of carrot. Okay, keep sauteing it. There.
അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്താൽ പെട്ടെന്ന് പോകും.
എനിക്കിങ്ങനെ പതുക്കെ സ്ലോ മോഷനിൽ കുക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനെക്കാട്ടും വേവാണ് ഫാസ്റ്റായിട്ട് കുക്ക് ചെയ്യുക.
പക്ഷേ കുക്കിംഗ് ടൈം വിൽ ബി സെയിം.
Add this is also half a cup of beans sliced.
Full idea.
Okay, let's add some salt now.
Sorry.
Okay. Now I'm going to reduce the heat. Slowly add your rice. Add your rice. Adding in some more salt. You don't have to fry the rice, but you know, just mix up everything nicely. Our pulao is ready. Add in a little more ghee in that, you know, that hot rice. The ghee will give a very nice flavor.
No?
Yeah. And give it a good mix.
And it's done.
Good job. So what did you learn today?
Never ask the right question.
Never ask the right question. Never ask the.
I learned a very nice preparation of fish masala and this flavorful, fragrant pulao.
Good.
I'm proud of us. വേറെ വല്ലതും ചെയ്യണ്ടോ?
ടേബിൾ സെറ്റിംഗ് ഉണ്ട്. എല്ലാവരും അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും പോവുക.
Yeah, I don't see anything there. I am tired.
Tired? Privileges of life when you're sick. വേഗം കഴിക്കട്ടോ, എൻ്റെ വായിക്കട മോട്ടർ ബോട്ട് ഉണ്ട്. അയ്യോ, ഫോട്ടോ എടുത്തില്ല. Good.
And that's a wrap. If you like these recipes, do share, like and comment. It was a really hard day today for me. Bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.